Hi, my name is Saskia. I'm the CEO of Radius. We are a smile care company. We are inspired by nature and design with purpose. We make a range of products, actually, so we make things from toothbrushes for adults and children all the way to organic toothpaste and organic flosses. We also have some accessories like travel cases that are 100% recycled. And so we actually manufacture everything in the USA. We're really proud to be in-house with toothbrushes. We design, manufacture, bristle, injection mold, everything here. I'm here today to introduce our Source toothbrush line, which is one of my favorites, but I might be a little biased because I love all of our toothbrushes. But our Source toothbrush is an incredibly unique and sustainable product. It is designed so it is both naturally helpful for the environment, but also incredibly helpful for your oral care. It protects your mouth and protects the world. So the head is only 7% of the total product. You can see the packaging here. This is a Source toothbrush. It's a little shiny. Hold on. There we go. This is a Source toothbrush, and you can get one head, and let me see if I pull it back a little bit better. One head, one handle in your starter kit, and then after that, actually, you have your 2-pack replacement heads. One of the cool things about our replacement heads is you can actually fold. This is our new packaging. It's pretty cool. I love it. But so you can fold this back right here, and you actually have like a little to-go kit right here. So this is how it sells on the shelf, and then this you throw it away. And then here, as you use one, see, you just pop this little guy out when you're ready to replace your toothbrush. Right here, it's your one head. But then this guy stays nice and sealed inside of your packaging. So you can put that right on your shelf in your bathroom and keep it for later. So we actually love that part, because one of the most important parts about our Source toothbrush line in general is being able to use the heads and refill, and you keep the handle forever. So our Source toothbrush comes in a few different styles. We've got a flossing brush, which actually has these beautiful tapered tips. I'll show you one right now. Here you go. I don't know if you can see it. It's really cool. So this floss brush right here has these beautiful tapered flossing tips that actually get in between the teeth and to clean and flick out some nasties. It actually is also super soft, so it's really nice and gentle on your teeth and your gums. The head lasts 3 to 6 months. You throw the head away when you're done. This is only 7%, as I mentioned, and so you get to keep the rest of the product for the rest of the time. So, yes, it's 100%. You can, get rid of it if you want to, but we recommend trying to keep and hold on to your product. And what that means, and this is the best part, is that you can actually make your handles out of really cool materials. So this one is made out of coconut husks, which I love. It's got this beautiful charcoal finish to it right here. This one, it's a new one we just came out with. It's made out of hemp. So as you can see, it's got this really beautiful hemp look to it. And again, this is a product you're gonna keep forever, right? So you're just gonna hold on to this, and only 7% of the total product is getting thrown away. Radius has a sustainability mission for 2019, and we're working on some amazing stuff. So it's gonna get even better and better in terms of a full circle sustainability message for all of our products. But this ultimately saves 9 out of 10 toothbrushes that ends up in a landfill. So, and that's what we really believe in. We believe in not throwing away a whole toothbrush every time, and truly ensuring that the message is logical and sustainable, and that users can really make it accessible in their lives. A toothbrush head in general cannot be recycled because it has metal staples in the handle. In the head. And also the bristles are a different type than the head. So we know that, and we're being honest and clear and present about it. And so we wanted to minimize the amount that does get thrown away that cannot be recycled. So instead of having to try and educate consumers about clipping a head, we want to make sure that all of our future products are focused on this idea of a replacement head. You keep the handle, you just throw away a really small portion. Also, our toothbrushes, as always, are very ergonomic. Radius is designed with purpose, inspired by nature, but designed with purpose. So we actually truly believe in ergonomics of your hand and of your mouth and your needs, and really understanding the human, instead of just designing because it's a Me Too product that everyone else designs, just like let's copy someone else and never innovate, never evolve the product that we use every day, twice a day, sometimes more. So Radius really thought about this, and we wanted to make your hand comfortable, Ultimately, when your hand is comfortable, what happens? The head is used well inside your mouth. You're not gouging, you're not hurting, you're not putting unwanted pressure on your teeth and your gums. One of the biggest things you'll probably notice with normal toothbrushes is that right here, your toothbrush always splays. These bristles will always break down. And you know why? Because you're putting so much pressure in your mouth all the time. You're literally just pressing down. So what we really want to do, we designed this head to be wide, to spread the pressure over a larger surface area, just like a sneaker versus a stiletto heel, right? We really want to spread that pressure in your mouth so you're not hurting teeth or gums. And your handle is nice and easy to grip, so you can't put all that pressure on the tip in your mouth, which is sensitive. It needs to be massaged, the gum tissue needs to be alive. That's why we have a wider head, to ensure you're getting that gum tissue massage at the same time as cleaning your teeth. It's also why we have a larger head in general. One of the big things people don't realize is that usually your average of brushing is about 30 seconds for men and 45 seconds for females. We want to be cognizant of that, and it's all about the user, it's all about you. It's all about you having a good brushing experience, but also you having an amazing dental checkup when it's time every 6 months, right? So we have heard time and time again what these toothbrushes have done to overall oral care with 3 main concerns. Receding gums. Guess what? You won't have that if you have a circular bristle pattern that doesn't push your gum tissue up all the time because you're sawing at your gum line. It's only hitting your teeth. It's not getting your gums. Bleeding gums. You will not have bleeding gums if you massage your gum tissue every day. It actually is a fact. It's called stimulation of tissue. You will not hurt anything more because it will actually be live, healthy tissue in your gums. And enamel erosion, that's the third one that people complain about. And guess what? You cannot erode your enamel if it doesn't rub right on that enamel. So our toothbrushes never do that. We never have straight lines of bristles. We don't rub away at your enamel or push up those gums. So the Source toothbrush, reversible right and left for our ergonomic righties and lefties. You just flip it, you open it, switch it, and there you go. We have our hemp toothbrush. I stopped, I got so excited about our oral care benefits. I forgot to tell you all the cool materials. So here we have our Source currency. This one's actually made from US currency from the banks, which is pretty awesome. We get it shredded and then we injection mold it with recycled polypropylene. That's actually number 5 plastic. So, and then last but not least, we've got our wood handle right here, which is really beautiful maple wood. All of our products are from upcycled materials, so we take it as a waste product from standard streams that already exist. This one, for example, is paper. It's really beautiful. It's got these little chunks of paper. We take this from the paper mills that are making paper and we use it in our products. So all of the Radius Source lines are upcycled. We have a super soft flossing, we have a soft bristle, and then we have a medium bristle. All of the heads are available in 2 packs. So we get to have these 2 little ones like I showed you before in super soft, soft, and medium. Radius in general, if you want to learn more about us, you can go to our discover more about our clean and green mission at madeByRadius.com. All of our packaging is incredibly sustainable as well, fully recycled and fully recyclable. So again, if you want to learn more about our clean and green mission, madeByRadius.com. I want you to thank you for listening, and your mouth deserves better, which is why you should choose Radius, and so does our environment. So thank you.